accepts the proposal kaSolomzi, the one that she once declined. Chuma reminds Solomzi that Unandi is Kaya's wife. There's a robbery kwaMamNomsa. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Isita, the enemy. So kumnandi kaRebecca, Unandi has softened up. They get to sit around the table. Bebonke bahleke baxoxe. And then apparently the baby Kaya is recovering, and Unandi thinks they should go home today, but Solomzi feels like no, let's just stay for one more day. Hi, Angabeke Unandi, no, I just miss my bed. I want to go home. I want to take Kaya. Ekhaya. Hi, angasacasuka Rebecca. MamNomsa buys food, groceries for Utenjiwe because she noticed that Utenjiwe was at home and she stole some food. Abongeke Utenjiwe says to Nelly, okay, uyabona na grocery masongithengele. Avele to Nelly as in everything she bought, I don't eat, mina ngidli lokho, mina phela nge-diet, I don't forget. And then Utenjiwe gets a call from Unandi. Unandi has prepared a whole traditional outfit, saying that she wants to go and accept the proposal kaSolomzi, the one that she declined in front of the whole family. So now it's got to MamNomsa. I'm arranging like call a meeting, call everyone so that she can accept the proposal in front of everyone that she once declined it in front of. So manje uMamSonto phones the family, they're all there. They all come. uSolomzi uza noma wakhe uRebecca. Bulelani is also there, noChuma. Agiyeke Unandi, she's dancing and all that. Rebecca is confused with what's going on. Agiye Unandi. The next thing, asondele uSolomzi says, I'm confused, but I like what's happening here. Aqale Unandi athakazela uSolomzi going on, hey, uyindoda emadodeni, you're a man amongst men. I'm tired of sleeping alone and my family would love to have you as umkhwenyana wabo. So ngiyakuthatha ke phakathi kwayo, I'm taking you today to be my partner. And so kucinga amadolo, she's even kneeling down. I'm so miss uSolomzi. I'd say, okay, stand up. uSolomzi looks a bit like he took some time to accept because it seemed like he wants to decline or something. Until uQhuma azamhlebele athi kuyena, whispers in his ear saying that please treat Kaya's wife properly or mphathe kahle unkosikazi kaKhaya. That's so shade of him to remind him ukuthi Unandi was Kaya's wife in this moment where it's a happy moment for them. Hi, Solomzi avume ke athi okay, agiye Solomzi starts to dance, saying it's a win for the Gumedes, it's a win for uQhwabe. And then he sort of like gave a whole speech, vow thingy, going on about how he loves Nandi and that he will never hurt her again and that he promises to love her and honor her and take care of her and all that ish. They were so happy and they sealed it with a kiss. Angene Rebecca ngafuna ukudlula athi attention everyone, ngiyamamukela, I'm welcoming Nandi as umakoti wami, as my daughter-in-law. So now I want to propose ukuthi we're gonna have a celebration at the mansion kwaMabuza. I'm inviting all of you. She even invites uMamNomsa to come. MamNomsa said, ngiyabonga, but I can't come. But you two have my blessings. And then uMatsiriso Nkosi yami angenela uMamNomsa amtshela ukuthi yazi you look so lonely, I wish I had a brother ngikufakele yona udinga indoda yazi Nomsa. Ngapha she decides ukuthi naye ufuna iGoldie. uBulelani promised her ukuthi uzomfakisa iGoldie kuNkanyiso, not knowing ukuthi iGoldie abantu abafile. The day she finds out she's going to hate uNkanyiso, they go there, she puts iGoldie kaNkanyiso ke, and then convinces uBulelani to also put it. And then uMamNomsa is sleeping on the couch and gets she falls asleep on the couch. Jiki kungena igebengu emnyango. They're like coming at her. Now she wakes up and she cries for help, saying help, help, help. Now that she lives alone, people are taking advantage of her. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.